Hola estudiantes, welcome to your next phase of learning at home. We are going to view the lessons for the next 2 weeks. There are days 4, 5, and 6 included in this lesson, ranging from April 6th to the 16th of April. Right. So you'll see that I have a main page right now, excuse me, that has upcoming events or upcoming activities due, more information about how to reach me during office hours, and the question corner is still there, and then the various polls that I give you guys will also appear on this page. All right, so all the work that you guys did before, it still lives on the website. It's just been pushed down a little bit, so it's there. And now you will find all the information for our next 3 class meetings here on this tab called 6 Abril as 16 Abril. And still, just like before, all the work is due for the next class meetup. All right, starting with day 4, you'll see the different blocks are meeting at the different assigned times. And I list what the skill practice is for the day. So the first day, our skill practice will be reading and listening. You will complete a little bit of bell work just to warm up and remind yourself about ER/IR verbs. And that is linked here with a supersite activity, very brief. Then you're going to watch a screencast and to check your note catcher. And then you're going to complete a couple of more reading, basic ER/IR verb exercises. Then next, there's a 10-minute screencast where I go over a PowerPoint, and it's listening practice, you hearing me repeatedly use the ER/IR verbs in their various forms. Then you'll have 2 more listening activities. And then last but not least, you're going to write just a couple of lines on your designated class Padlet about your rutina de cuarentena. So your quarantine routine. This shouldn't take too long, but please include a photo because we miss seeing your face and I want to see all of you. All right, moving on, day 5, your skill practice will be to write. Now that you're acclimating and learning the ER/IR verbs, it's time to put that skill into writing practice. So you're going to do this Google form for bell work, and then we're going to meet for a very quick Zoom where I will answer any questions you guys might have, and we're going to play Game Kit. Then next, you're going to play even more the ER/IR games located under the Practica tab. So your choice, whichever games you want to play. However, please do screenshot the results for 3 of your games and upload them to the assignment on PowerSchool. So your assignments can be accessed. I'll probably link it here on this page. It's already linked on the very front Distant Learning homepage. And then as usual, you can always access it, under Activities, Assignments, right here. So you will need to upload 3 screenshots of your results of playing those activities. And if you don't know how to upload to an assignment, just click right here for another screencast tutorial from me. Very short, only a minute long. And then here, the next thing after you play your games, you will watch a screencast of a text exchange between a couple people. So you're going to witness people writing. And then last but not least, you're going to write in this Google form responding to the writing prompts. And so you'll get some feedback after those individual prompts, and you'll need to apply that for the day 6 activity. All right, day 6, your skill practice is going to be to write and to speak. So you'll complete this Padlet sharing what you, your friends, and your family do. And you'll share the same corrected responses that you got from this Google form. So just apply those here with the class. So the Google form is more of an, something you do just between you and I. This one is going to be something that you share with everyone. And please, photos are always welcome. So please add a photo if you so choose. And then you're going to watch this Flipgrid. So the Flipgrid is really fun. This is something new to our classes. This is a great opportunity for listening practice and speaking practice, presentational speaking. So you're going to hear first some other teachers at Harpeth Hall talk about some things, including ER and IR verbs, and then you're going to contribute your own. Next, you're going to click on this Google Earth map, and I created this myself, where most of you said you wanted to learn more about athletes and actresses and singers and authors, and so and artists. So I sprinkled a little bit of that, and there is a Google Earth link here you'll follow and just visit different famous Hispanohablantes or Spanish speakers throughout the world. So really try to hone in on 3 people that you met. So please visit all the people throughout the world that I linked to, but just really hone in on 3 and be prepared to speak about them on this Flipgrid. Okay? So if you have any questions, just, you can put them on the question corner, and then also bring them to the conference call we have on day 5. Buena suerte!